Everybody's under the sun, but all my clouds black. Nothing worse than that deep water where you could drown fast. Dry land, they lay you on the ground flat. This the Pone King of the jungle who want the crown back. Every day I find myself where the pound's at. Life is like a movie, so here I made the soundtrack. Everybody know my name, where I'm from, but it isn't adding up. I'm not even getting crumbs, got a few close friends. The rest of them are bums, phone book full of junkies, and half them on the run. Shove a needle in your vein, see you later, bye-bye. She'll be falling out for the rest of the day and tomorrow. I'm a one-timer, consistent provider, not a person could take it away. Listen, I'm honest, if I could have your intention for one quick minute, I ain't got no method to get it, so quit trying to spend it. If I put something up in front of your face, you're gonna sniff it up. Shorty only 19, living like she don't give a fuck. But it's just another day off of the calendar, cause you ain't gonna change if you only fucking with amateurs. I'm chasing these cameras, I'm chasing this glamorous lifestyle, bright smiles and finally white clouds. I want the Lord to put me in the sky, but it's something I wanna see before I ever die, cause right now I'm a lyrical murder. The way I rap to these beats, leave individuals murdered all in the backs of these streets. Take it back to the streets, where they blasted police, where they kicking your dough, leave you wrapped in your sheets. I bring you lyrical murder the way I rap to these beats, leave individuals murdered all in the backs of these streets. Take it back to the streets, where they blasted police, where they kicking your dough, leave you wrapped in your sheets. I'm tired of being so ashamed of myself, and even more so tired of chasing fame and the wealth. If you believe you deserve it, the universe will then serve it. I don't believe in them sayings, I believe you gotta earn it. If the tables are flipped, you grab a hold of it and turn it. There ain't no limit to growing, set a fire and then burn it. If you ain't studying something, then what the fuck are you learning? With the world turning, economy dropping, what is you earning? I got a couple of dreams, got a couple of plans, nobody else can see, nobody understands. I'ma do it on my own, that's what you call alone. But when you're past 24, your ass better be grown. I'm in all new sneakers, ain't